Hello and welcome to Instrumentation and Control Systems at St. Lawrence College, Kingston campus. In instrumentation, you have two options. You can either become a technician in 2 years or a technologist in 3 years. For those of you who end up doing the 3 years and become a technologist, you also have the option of going to Ireland for a year, into the 4th year at Limerick Institute of Technology and complete a Bachelor of Engineering honors. So in 4 years, you will have completed your diploma at St. Lawrence College and received your Bachelor of Engineering honors from Limerick. While at the college, you have the opportunity to join the co-op program. The co-op program is completed traditionally after semesters 1 and 2, 1 and or 2. You can go for 4 months at a time. So you would go on your co-op at the end of April between our winter semester that ends at the end of April and September for our fall semester, or you can go out for a year. A co-op is paid, a placement is not. So if you decide not to do the co-op, in 6th semester of the 3-year program, you would go out to a local company. Some people go a little further because our placements are Monday and Tuesday. So some people who live in Ottawa, say, will go home on a Friday and then have their placement Monday, Tuesday, and then come back to the college Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. And classes continue Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you're in placement from January to April along with school. Now, one question that we get quite often is, do we have to know about instrumentation before coming to the college? And you do not have to know anything about instrumentation and control before coming to the college, because our professors and instructors will make sure that they lead you right from the basics. So in first semester, you start off with everything you need to know for that to get you up to speed for that level of instrumentation. And then through the 2 or 3 years, you learn everything that you need to know. So you don't need to worry about having any kind of background. So Urban Dictionary defines instrumentation as instrumentation describes the control, maintenance, and design of any process. It is the practice of calibration, control, design, electric hookup, and programming. So basically you learn how to install, calibrate, troubleshoot equipment, how to operate and configure electronic and computer-based controllers, how to repair and maintain wireless and wired control systems, how to install a control system, and how to prepare documentation such as technical reports. Jobs with instrumentation once you graduate are abundant. We have our students out in all sorts of industries across the sector, all dealing with infrastructure. So even in the pandemic, we had students getting jobs because they're needed in infrastructure. So some of the places that our students work: hospital simulation labs, aeronautical simulation labs, water treatment plants, nuclear facilities, wastewater treatment plants, automation. So automation is basically anywhere there's a human-computer interaction. Process plants, so we have students going to OPG, we have students at Queen's, we have students at or graduates rather, at the hospitals in Kingston. So there's a new hospital as well. One of our graduates is the instrumentation person controlling all of the instrumentation at the new hospital through Johnson Controls. Why this program? Well, apart from being employed and being highly employable, one of the wonderful things about our program is that it's hands-on learning. So you have partial theory, partial hands-on learning, and we're one of the few colleges to actually offer an instrumentation and control diploma. And you're highly employable once you leave. These are just two of our very successful graduates, Scott and Fernando. Both Scott and Fernando were hired in 3rd year before they had even graduated, and that is not uncommon in this program. If you would like more information about instrumentation and control, and it's not listed on the website on St. Lawrence College Instrumentation and Control site, then please contact me, jcruikshank at sl.on.ca. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in fall 2021.